Welcome to this meditation where we will explore the transformative power of letting go. We often find ourselves clinging to thoughts, emotions, and experiences, thinking that holding on will provide control and security. But this gripping and clinging can lead to distress, stagnation, and a sense of being stuck. When we resist change and try to micromanage our life, we create tension and block the natural flow of growth and transformation. When you are ready to rise above whatever challenges you are facing, let's begin this meditation together. Activate positivity within you and open yourself to the abundance that's available to you now. Abundance you deserve in all areas of your life. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to settle into the present moment. Invite your body to relax, your mind to calm, and your heart to open. Soften your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Feel the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. As you inhale, imagine fresh energy and calmness entering your system. That's it. Good. Breathe deeper. As you exhale, feel the tension or worries melting away. Allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to release, and your entire body to relax. This moment is an opportunity to let go of what no longer serves you. Consider any limiting patterns or beliefs, emotional burdens, toxic relationships or situations, fears or doubts, or energy-draining habits. Take a moment to reflect on what you're willing to release. What is holding you back from embracing your full potential? Hold it in your awareness and say to yourself, I am ready to let go. I am ready to let go. I am ready to let go. Good. Now take a deep breath in and an open mouth exhalation. Repeat this intention. I release. Name what you are letting go of. I let go of its hold on me. I release. Name it. I let go of its hold on me. I release. Name it again. I let go of its hold on me. Yes. Very good. Breathe in and out. Feel lighter with each breath out. Keep letting go. And as you exhale, imagine this energy leaving your body, dissolving into light. Visualize yourself freed from its weight, feeling even lighter, more expansive. Now repeat, I trust the process of life. Truly feel it when you say it again. I trust the process of life. Feel it even deeper, amplify this energy. I trust the process of life. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should. Trust that you have the strength to navigate uncertainty. Take a deep breath in and out. You are in the flow of life, moving effortlessly with the currents of positive change. Feel the sense of freedom and empowerment that comes with letting go. Remember, letting go is not about losing control, but about embracing transformation and growth. Let your breath get deeper. As you open your eyes, know that you've taken a powerful step toward liberation. Carry this sense of release and renewal with you, and watch how it transforms your life. Take one last moment now to amplify this energy by typing this affirmation in the comments below. I let go and trust the process. Remember to carry this sense of freedom and lightness with you throughout your day. And if this meditation was a pleasant experience for you, please give the video a like and share the link with someone who needs it. I'm releasing new meditations every week. By subscribing to the Zen Soul Balance channel, you are showing support, and we are so grateful. Thank you for meditating with me. Namaste.